Okay, after many failed attempts of trying to film this video, I'm here again after literally a few hours of sleep, let's say. I don't know how much yet. Let's just get into the first thing on how to start up as a photographer. So the first thing you need is obviously a way to take photos. And you're probably thinking, how am I going to afford a camera? They're like, let's say if you want to get a Nikon one, £300-400, you're like, you can't really start up, you need somewhere else to start. Well, simply, a little small device that you're already probably watching this video on can actually do the job. This is the phone I started doing photography with. It's the Sony XA. It has an 8 megapixel front camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera. Now I have a 24 megapixel front camera on my Huawei Mate 20, and also I have a 20 megapixel rear camera which also does slow-mo. And the best thing, I think the most important thing about the phone is when you want to take the picture, sometimes you can say your hands are busy, you can't, you're carrying bags or you've got dirty hands. Well, the phone that I have now has face unlock, so if I see something, I'm like, wait, I need to take a picture quickly, and I need to do the whole code thing or tap. Instead, I literally just click the button, opens, and I'm on the camera, so I can take any photo I want. So yeah, here's some of the photos from my old phone on the screen, and also some of my new photos with my new phone. The second thing I think is the most important thing to do is make up an account. Let's say an Instagram, Facebook, even Snapchat account, just somewhere to post those pictures. So I started off with an Instagram account. This is the first photo I've ever done. It wasn't anything special, it's just me. So I've had a vision of doing some sort of street lighting effect. So the bus is going past and I took a picture of it. And I was really impressed with it, and that's how it all started. Also, when you're posting your pictures, you can see you have an Instagram editor, which I can't lie, I've been using a lot when I post on my Instagram account. So if you see on screen now, you can see all the different types of editing techniques you can use. You can change the contrast, the vibrance, the saturation, it's all there for you. And the third thing that people don't really realize is you can take pictures of anything. Walking to work, walking to school, take a picture. The lighting looks cool, take a picture. Just always be there, take a picture. Maybe you won't like it, you'll delete it later on in the day, but you might like it, so you post it, edit it, anything. Always just take pictures, anywhere you are, take pictures. Another thing that I think is really important in photos, but you can also do without, are friends, because I personally like to make the subject of my photos a person with a mysterious background. Let's say the lighting might look really cool from up while the person is below, and it's all focused on that, but then people can also look at the lighting. So that's something I like to do. But the thing about that is sometimes your friends, they just want to have a joke, they don't want to take it serious, and it does get frustrating sometimes. And yeah, so yeah, that's another thing that I'd say is quite important. And the final thing, the final tip I want to give is how to make your photos really stand out. Is look at the lights, your lighting. Lighting plays such a big part in photos. Right now, my little setup I have here, I have my bedroom lights literally all facing on me, so I am really lit up right now. But yeah, lighting plays such a big part. In this photo, you can see the lights up there, it focuses so much, people can see the difference around it. And also, when you're taking photos, the way the lights are can really make it look different. So, personally, I think when a light is reflected, it brings a different thing. So yeah. But this is just a short little quick video, tips, tricks. I'll be making another one more updated, much better. This is just my first video, so I can get something out right now and see how it goes. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell, do the stuff, and I guess thanks for watching my first video.